Hi, this is Simi here. To access your Fuel Ed teacher training course, I want you to go to peak.getfueled.com. Now you're going to get your username and password in an email from Peak. It's going to be coming from Peak, which is just Fuel Ed's system. Log in and go to the Brightspace tab. This is where all your courses are. And within the Brightspace tab, you're going to notice you have a bunch of courses. You're not going to teach all these courses. This is just in case a student gets put into one of these courses, you then have access to teach it. But you'll find the teacher training course. It looks just like this. Go ahead and click on it. You can read my blurb and then hit the content button. And I want you to complete the Getting Started with Fuel Ed module and the class content module. You can go through the rest of the modules if you have time, but I would like for you to finish the first two before our training. So when you click on the module, you'll notice to the right, just go ahead and complete the activities, the discussion topics. To submit a discussion, you just click on it and you hit Start a New Thread. And that will give you the option to write a discussion post. We'll be going through all this during the training, and I can't wait to see you guys.